Yo, it's your boy Nick Doll back with another banger. Let's get into it. We're looking at the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour. We're going to keep it real simple for you. Let's get into it. So, starting off on the weekly chart here, we can see that we have nice structure going up here, making this nice solid flag pattern, pretty much breaking out at the very moment. How do we take a target for the flag pattern? Pretty simple. You want to take the candle breakout. So this candle here will be that breakout candle. We'll start the pull from here, finding that resistance. How do we know where's resistance? We don't really know where the resistance is until we have that second touch, and then we can finally put this trend line here. So by the time market plays out here, we had that base by having the first support here, second support here. So now you see we have a simple flag pattern. Market continues to retest the flag here, rejecting it again, creating that last rejection before it broke above that resistance, retesting resistance again, finally to confirm it, making the breakout. So back to the target, we will take our pull from the breakout candle to the high here. We'll make that a nice thick white, and we'll take that breakout all the way up here from this breakout, and that's a flag pattern. So if this pattern is true, if this pattern does play out correctly, you can see here on the Fibonacci, price has pretty much pushed towards that 50% marker here. Hopefully we find some resistance here around the 2675, 2680 area, and we can get price to push back down. We're not going to really be solid on the numbers. I'm more really watching candles to see where price is finding that resistance, and hopefully potentially catching a sell back down to the resistance before we can see price making its way back up. I do believe on the weekly in the next couple months here, moving into towards the end of October into November, we will see gold start to fall for the holiday, as the price of gold will get cheaper before the holiday comes around. And I'm hoping by New Year's, December, we can see price start to push back up here. This is pretty much my end of the year prediction on gold. I am expecting price to hold here around the 2680 area, continue to fall back down to resistance around the 2600 area, and maybe even further below. If price do drop below 2600, expect price to fall back down to some weekly fair value gaps here. I got one weekly fair value gap sitting at 25.45, another weekly fair value gap sitting at 24.70. So this is just some bearish short-term price action where price could go. As you can see, we are in a long-term buy right now, but price do like to make these pullbacks here and there. So this could be a potential pullback coming into play, and I want to take advantage of it. So let's move into the daily and see what we can do for this upcoming weeks here. Looking at price here on the daily chart, I do see that I have nice structure here. As you can see, price previously was in a consolidation into a breakout, into more price action here, continued to break out. So I like to see that. This is a healthy market here, but of course with every bullish trend there are the pullbacks. So I'm hoping for a pullback here in the short term, back down to the 620 area before price keep pushing above this weekly target. If price does remain bullish, maybe give me a wick down to 50, maybe even 45, and continue to remain bullish, then we will continue to watch price for that reversal. But until price pretty much get into this area here, we'll just be pretty much watching candles. So until those candles play out, and I do see bearish price action coming, we could then maybe take some potential sells back to the 2600 area. Until then, like I said, it's pretty much a waiting game. Price is very bullish. You really don't want to be looking for sells at this moment. But 4 blue candles for the week, for the past 4 days. So Friday, Sunday, Monday, what's today? Yeah, so it's been pretty bullish. End of last week into this week, gold is still super bullish. So we just got to take that in consideration and be patient. It's a waiting game. Let's see if we can get these daily fair value gaps filled. Gold on the daily is coming into the bearish territory. As you can see, gold is pushing up on that RSI into that overbought territory. So we definitely want to be patient, see if we can get some more price action to give us a nice sell entry. And if we were to move down into the 4-hour time frame, we do have some nice support structure here as well. You can see gold is moving nice from the previous impulse here, and we do have the fib following that pullback. Just in case we ever do have that slight pullback here, we do want to look for those fair value gaps under that 50%. So that could be a super nice trade here on the 4-hour if we can take advantage. Say price do maintain to the 80 level here, right? That means we have a nice fair value gap right here that we would be expecting price to find a nice little home to. A couple 4-hour fair value gaps happening right here. This is that sweet spot I'm looking for. Like I said, if price do come back down to here, I would be expecting to close my sales. So definitely stay tuned. I will be active on the Discord. So take a look at the link below. Hop on the Discord. You can hop on the TradingView. I just posted a nice signal on there. Bought for crazy, like 150 pips. I think that buy was on the TradingView. Take a look. Link in the TradingView down below. Check the link out for funding pips. Funding pips is the prop firm that I use. I got 100K account right now, mastered. So definitely take advantage of that. If you use my link down below, you do get a 5% off, which is pretty cool. So, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get active. We're trying to stay consistent. Just drop a like if this helped. Share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.